Well, May is Healthy Vision Month. Is low vision affecting your daily activities? Joining us from the Vision Council is Vice Chairman Richard Tapping to talk about tips to improve low vision. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Good to be here.
So let's talk a little bit about what is low vision. Kind of give us the definition.
Sure. So low vision is defined as a chronic eye disease that cannot be corrected with eyeglasses, contact lenses, or surgery.
Okay, so who is someone that this affects?
So, some terms that people may be familiar with low vision would be macular degeneration, glaucoma, cataracts, diabetic retinopathy. Those are a few of the terms that would be more familiar with people.
Okay, so it's affecting people of all ages, or is it kind of our older generations?
So typically, because of the baby boomer generation, we're seeing now a lot more prevalence in the seniors, and it tends to be age-related eye disease that's really having the largest impact at this point.
Okay. How does it affect someone's independence then? Because I would say if someone can't see, if they have glaucoma, that would make it really hard to do daily function.
It impacts daily activities, everything from just simple things like daily grooming, reading your own mail, bank statements, trying to pay a bill.
Okay.
Reading, I mean, just about every part of your daily activity is impacted when you lose your vision.
But you're here with the Vision Council to tell us that there are some solutions for people for daily activities, right?
Exactly right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you take us through some?
And a lot of people don't know that this stuff exists. So here's the tools, and I'll start off with this little device here. It's something that can fit in your pocket. And it has magnification from 2x to 14x.
Yeah, here, let's tilt that up so, so they can see that. So it looks like it's just making that much bigger.
Yeah, that's right. It digitizes the image, and here I can magnify it even more.
Oh, wow.
And then over here, I'm just going to reach over, I can actually change the contrast. So with some eye diseases, you'll get glare issues, so we can reduce the glare, we can increase the contrast.
All right.
This is a particularly good example because it's a newspaper print, which is generally quite faint. So this is a type of device. But this could be things like setting your room temperature on your thermometer in your home.
Reading your bills.
Reading your bills in a restaurant.
Text messages, does it work on a screen?
I have seen people use it on the phone as well, absolutely. Okay. So this is the fundamental. So this has lighting, magnification, and contrast all built into one. And it's in a portable device like this.
That's nice. You could take it to a restaurant, like you said, read the menu.
Right. Yep. And then we have this device here, which is really the same principles of this device in terms of magnification, but you just simply wear it. So you have hands-free reading now. So you simply put it on. There's two screens inside that allows you to magnify the image.
Okay.
And bring it closer to your eye.
And does it have all the same where it'll make, it'll invert the image?
It inverts the image. Okay. It has magnification. It has a much larger magnification range. So we see people using this for watching television, maybe a sporting event, watching the local soccer team, perhaps, things like that.
If you don't want to bring attention to yourself, out at a restaurant, maybe one of these, but at home.
Exactly right.
Yeah.
In the comfort of your own home, something like this. And similarly, depending on what people are trying to do, so maybe if you're an avid reader, you need a little more real estate, larger field of view. It's more comfortable, so you have a larger device like this. Again, the same principles: lighting, magnification, contrast.
Is this just our newspaper? Oh my gosh.
Exactly right. So. And then over here you have simple controls that can just, and what's nice about this camera is this camera can turn any which way. So I can actually point this camera at myself and do my makeup, shave, things like that. It's very good for recipes as well, so people continue to cook and be independent that way.
So it's semi-mobile. How heavy? Do you mind if I lift it?
No, it's not the lightest.
Ooh, okay, so it's not the lightest.
No.
You'd need a little bit of strength, but it's really not that heavy, and you'd need like a flat surface. So, but it's nice. You
could move it from room to room. So if you do some reading in your living room, and you go back to the kitchen and do some recipes, it's possible to move it. It's transportable, not really portable.
All right. Well, where can we find out more information about things like this in low vision in general?
So we've set up a very simple website. It's called lowvision.com. And on that website, you'll see some summaries of the devices that we've shown here. We've also got a contact form on that can be completed, and a telephone number. We have teams in Florida and California that are ready to answer questions and help educate people.
All right, no question too small, you don't mind, anybody can call?
Use and abuse.
Okay, use and abuse, all right, I like it. Richard, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.
And taking us through these devices. One more time, will you just tell me the names of these really quick for people watching?
Yep, so this is the Ruby handheld video magnifier. This is the Geordie, and this one is the Acrobat.
Okay.
So Ruby, Geordie, and Acrobat.
Okay. All right, well, give us that website one more time for those listening, and thank you for your time.
I will, lowvision.com.
Wonderful. And now it is time.